Welcome to ClickFunnels Tips and Tricks. This is the updated version for removing your affiliate badge. So, as you know, we have the new version of the editor. If you're newer to ClickFunnels, you may not know about the other editor, but that's okay. It's called the Classic Editor. And so I'm going to show you the updated version on removing this little affiliate badge simply in the editor. So I'm going to go to the editor here. And when I go to settings and I go down to general settings, you'll actually notice that it's already set to show, and we can just click hide. We'll have to click once to close the panel and once again to save the page. And that's it. So we can just go over to the preview that I have open. I'm going to refresh that page and you'll simply see that the affiliate badge has been removed. So I hope that helps. Leave a like, subscribe if you want more tips and tricks on using ClickFunnels.